So I'm starting my seedlings indoors now. It is January 10th. This video will probably be uploaded a little bit after that, but I'm going to show you guys all of what I'll be using. This is both for beginners or people that are just looking to get more out of gardening. So I'm going to turn the camera around and walk you guys through everything I've purchased, but also how I'm setting up everything for the garden, from creating beds, etc. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos, recipes, and so forth. So let's get into what you're gonna need. So for my garden, I knew what we grew last year and what was successful and what I wanted to grow yet this year. So I split it up into categories. This is miscellaneous. We have herbs, we have veggies and fruits. This is everything that we plan on growing. And then we also did a map based off of how much space we have on the patio. These lines are kind of the beds that we have. This is a big bed we're gonna be building, and these are some other things, our pots, etc. So definitely create a plan. If you know how much space you have, definitely create a plan if you've gardened before, and if you haven't, just stay tuned. These are some seeds left over from last year. This is a watermelon I grew, some peppers, burdock, some cucumber seeds, some pepper seeds, and I think I have some more seeds from bok choy. So I have all my seeds here, and I also have some more. This is a grow light, but a grow kind of setup. This is Click and Grow system. I've had this for 2 years now. I bought this as a gift to myself because, again, I didn't have a lot of space to grow as much as I wanted to. So I have kept this, and I use it for my seedlings indoors. I love these. So if you don't have the means to go out and buy a bunch of these like I did, you can just use a cup and some dirt. But I bought these because they are individual pods, and all I have to do is put the seeds in. Our goal is to grow upwards of 300 to 200 plants. I keep these guys from like takeout from last year, so I can use these as trays for water for these guys. So these are, again, Jeffy's pots. I bought these when they were on sale, when gardening kind of was going out of season, and people weren't gardening as much. These were on sale, so I grabbed a bunch of these and those. I also grabbed this guy, which is a strawberry kit. There's no review on it, so I will be doing a full review on it. So we have that. Again, just use what you have. If you have leftover food containers, like this is from a pizza thing we ordered, it is eco-friendly. I'm just gonna clean it out, put some dirt in it, and it just has a little bit of tomato sauce on it, and use this as a grow kit. Kind of put microgreens or something in, and then you want to decide on what you want to grow, which is important. So again, you are just starting out, I recommend you doing herbs. Herbs are amazing. There's so many different kinds of herbs you can do. So first things first, I'm going to soak these pods. They completely absorb all the water once they are fully soaked, and then you can add your seeds to this to create your mini seedlings for the garden. Again, I'll leave everything down in the description bar. So this is what it looks like once all the water is absorbed, and I'm just adding the labels, and then also creating a list of how much plants I'm planting. These are all the seeds, well, not all of them, but most of what I'll be planting in regards to vegetables and a few fruits. And this is what it looks like once I was done with the first batch of little seedling pods. So this is everything we have in here. I think this is all fruits, melons, onion, cucumber, corn, a lot of cucumber, some broccoli, and celery. So this is what it looks like. And then I'm going to move on to my Click and Grow system, which has these cool little pods. If you want more information, I have a full video down in the description bar, but you can add whatever seed you like to this. Then we went to the store to get our bed built. This is the guy cutting out the wood for our custom bed. Our beds are going to be 3x3. Yeah, super cool. And these are going to go in the sides to hold up the frame. Stay tuned for my next video on how I created the bed from beginning to end, but also some more gardening updates, monthly updates on my seedlings.